Well, hi there, viewer. It's Accountech Bytes, your weekly roundup of the world of accounting tech in 5 minutes. I'm Tom Herbert, Technology Editor for Accounting Web, and on the show this week, Xero cranks the handle marked new product, but what are UK users actually getting? Iris are back on the acquisition trail, and accountants mull over what artificial intelligence can bring to the profession. So let's get straight into it then. And I led the email this week with news from Xero's UK roadshows that there are some new products, including a tax manager to view client obligations in one place, a payment platform so you can manage, approve and pay bills without leaving Xero. From the long-term point of view, the e-invoicing receive capability I think is extremely promising, and the single client record, so the central database that houses all client data. So it's sort of in the same wheelhouse as the likes of Iris Elements and the Sage Digital Network, but it seems to be what the platforms are doing at the moment. So you can check out details on all of those via the link in the description to this video. Podcast time. So I roved around the 2020 Innovation Conference with my pod mic and asked accountants what they really thought of AI. The TLDL, I guess you'd call it, is that cautious optimism, but it's still very early days. You can listen to that podcast here or on your podcast player of choice by searching for Accounting Web. And let's go. I nearly forgot to ring the AI gong, but there you go. I do have it with me. And sticking with AI, this is Blake Oliver. So across the pond, Blake, one of the hosts from the Accounting Podcast, formerly the Cloud Accounting Podcast, he's written an extremely comprehensive piece on how artificial intelligence can save accounting for the Journal of Accountancy. So sort of getting into the theory behind it and then applying it to the profession. It's an excellent piece, so do check that out. Back across the Atlantic now, and I wrote up the winner of this year's Digital Transformation Awards at the Accounting Excellence Awards, and this was Azet. So I spoke to Russell Frayne from Azet, who taught me through their digital transformation project, which was a special education establishment that was swamped with paperwork. So many thanks to Russell for filling me in on the ups and downs of that project. And Russell will be joining us for a webinar on how to successfully move your finance platform. Also joining me is Joe Farraher from Access and Interim Finance Director Stuart Walker. Well, that sounds really interesting. When is it? Well, it is on Tuesday, the 21st of November, 2 o'clock GMT. So do book your spot early to avoid disappointment. Iris are back on the acquisition trail. So they have acquired Bishop Fleming's Payroll Service Bureau. So 900 managed payroll clients there. New feature from Apron. So this is an audit trail that automatically logs all approvals, changes and payment details on the payment platform. So well done, Apron. Michael Wood, former founder of Receipt Bank and, founder of Receipt Bank, should I say, and now founder of Translucent, the CFO super app, I believe they call it, which sort of sits on top of various entities with cloud accounting software. He said that they passed 1,000 Xero entities. So bravo, Michael and team. Knowit, automated credit control platform. Knowit, recently joined by a friend of the show, Phil Hobden, has a brand new mobile app so users can get live credit management updates via the app. Back to the multi-entity field now, and Mayday have a couple of new things. So they've got new pricing plans and then updates to their recharger, balancer and brag tools. So do check that out if you're running sort of multi-entity software on Xero. So Finally, Excel just keeps on improving. The top hashtag there from David Bename, and he's letting us know about new group by and pivot by functions that simulate pivot tables but can go further, including making comma separated lists by categories as shown in the GIF. Beautiful. Right, that's it for this week. If you'd like to keep up with the world of accounting technology, then do sign up for my weekly email by putting your email address in the box there and letting the yellow box do the work. And if you're watching this on the social, then please like, follow, subscribe. That's all there is for this week. Thanks for watching and goodbye.